Hey everybody, NACHO Steve. Today, I want to do an overview of our POP, what it is, and more importantly, how to use it to sell lights. Because there's a lot of these out there. You might even have it sitting on the counter of your shop, but you're like, I don't know what to do with it. So today, quick overview, what lights, what accessories, and how you can sell it real quickly to your customers. So first up is going to be the lights. The lights are going to be a Quattro combo, and then we have a Grande 4 high. Now the 4 high is going to be, that's how you sell it. You've got the 4 high, 4 low. What are you using most of? If it's 4 high in your vehicle, that's that 40 to 60 mile an hour range, you're going to want this. It's a really good all-around light. If you sell a set of 4 highs to your customer, they're going to be happy. 4 lows is if it's going to be more of a real slow buggy. Most of the time they're spending that 10 to 30 mile an hour range. That's what the 4 low is for. Same thing with the Supreme 800s. It's a 100 mile an hour light, and 150. That's a trophy truck light. So that's the Grande. The Quattro is our Quattro combo. It's going to be our highest selling light by far. You're going to have 60 watts of total power, 30 watts in a drive beam, 60 watts in a combo beam, and then you've got that beautiful trail running light that is going to be visible during the day. You plug it into the wall, and what you're going to want to do is just leave on these switches. This is set up as your trail running light for both versions. This takes almost no power, and it's a real attention getter. So when customers walk into your shop, they're going to say, oh, look at that. That's really cool. Looks like jewelry. I mean, it shines bright like a diamond. So this is where you just want to leave it on. Then you've got other switches. So I'll start with the Quattro. Switch 1 is going to be your low beam. That's going to be your drive beam. Beautiful 40 degree wide by about 10 degree beam. Great. It really kind of mimics a very, very high power low beam on your vehicle. It's not street legal, but it gives you that kind of nice downward tilted, real good driving beam. Then on the other switch, you've got your high beam. That adds the spot in. That adds about a 65,000 candela spot with a beautiful drive beam. That's how you sell it. It's all the lights you need in a single set. You can put it on your bumper. You can add the flush mount kit. You can add a fog mount kit, and you can put all that functionality in your bumper. That's your 90-second sales pitch. On the Grande is going to be a little bit different. The Grande has our battery direct wiring. That means you wire it directly to the battery, and you've got 3 trigger wires. The 3 trigger wires are assigned with your handy 10 mil picker-upper magic wand. We also include one. If you don't have one of these with the kit that's sitting on your counter, please call us. We'll get you one. No big deal. This is important to show customers how well this works. So you turn on one of your trigger wires, and you say, okay, well, I want to change it. Well, built into this, you've got 9 different modes. And I'll just scroll through them real quick. This isn't a Grande video. This is just the POP. Please watch our Grande video. We go through all the modes in detail. But once you find a mode you like, you leave it on that. When you turn it off, it goes back to the mode it was on before. Of the 3 trigger wires, there's a priority. So right now, that is a trigger wire assigned to backlight. Then I just assign that to our area light, and then trigger 3 goes all on high. Actually, that's all pencil beam. So you've got a pencil beam, an area light, and a running light all in one. So if a customer comes in and says, hey, I want a big pair of lights to go on my bumper, you say, I got the light for you. Follow me. And you come over here, you show them how this works. You use your magic wand, the tip to chip. There's a little chip right here. Just the tip. Put the tip on the chip, and it's going to change modes, and then you can show them how that works. Other accessories it comes with amber covers. All these lights include amber covers. Super easy to put it on. Snap it on. Now you've got an amber light. Look at that. Now you've got an amber area light. Now you've got an amber pencil beam. There's nothing else on the market that has this much versatility. And this POP was designed to give you the tools that you can sell your customers on all the functionality of the NACHO line. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call. Any of us are happy to take those questions and help you learn about these features so you guys can sell lights better. Thanks for watching.